So I'm going to pick up where we left off. If you notice here, it says the Rock and Climb charges $75 service charge plus $25 per ticket collected. Then the Ready to Rock charges $55 service charge plus 75 cents per ticket collected. All right, so they have the Ready to Rock has a lower service charge but a higher per ticket price. The Rock and Climb has a higher service charge but a lower per ticket price. So now the service charge piece we will not worry about until the very end of our chart, because that's kind of like one charge that they do on top of the price per ticket. Okay, so we're not going to worry about the service charge piece until we're done with our chart. We're not going to try to add it in here. So we're going to calculate for the different amount of tickets how much it would be for each company. So let's go with Rock and Climb first. They charge 25 cents per ticket, and we're looking at if they have 10 tickets, what's the price? Okay, well, if they have 10 tickets at 25 cents each, the price would be $2.50. Okay. If they have 20 tickets at 25 cents each, the price would be $5. If we have 30 tickets at 25 cents each, the price would then be $7.50. You can think of it as 3 times 25 and then adding a 0 on the end, okay? And making sure it's in the dollar place value somewhat. That's how I'm getting these numbers so quickly. So if I think 4 times 25, I know that's $1. I've got to add a 0, so that'd be $10 total. Okay. For 50 tickets, it'd be $12.50. For 60 tickets, it'd be $15. For 70 tickets, it would be $17.50. For 80 tickets, it would be $20. For 90 tickets, it would be $22.50. For 100 tickets, it'd be $25. For 110 tickets, it'd be $27.50. And for 120 tickets, it'd be $30. Now, that's how much per ticket price. Now, remember, Rock and Climb charges $75 service charge. So we're going to take this total per ticket. So we're going to take $30. And we're going to add the $75 to that, because that's their service charge. That'll give us the total amount that Rock and Climb is going to charge to put up this rock climbing wall. All right, so 30 plus 75 is, so I've got 5 and 0 is 5, and then 3 and 7 is 10, $105. Okay, $105 is total for Rock and Climb. Now let's look at Ready to Rock. They charge 75 cents per ticket. So if we have 10 tickets, that's $7.50. If we have 20 tickets, that's $15. If we have 30 tickets, that's $22.50. If we have 40 tickets, that's $30. If we have 50 tickets, that's $37.50. If we have 60 tickets, that's $45. How are you getting these numbers so quickly? Well, I know 10 times 75 cents is $7.50 because my digits just all shift one place value. All right? And I know 20 is double 10, so I take this and double it. I got 15. For 30 tickets, I'm thinking 3 times 75 cents is $2.25, and I add a 0. Okay, so just using some of the math tricks with zeros and powers of 10 that we've learned to get these numbers so quickly. All right, if I have 70 tickets, I have $52.50. If I have 80 tickets, I have $60. If I have 90 tickets, I have $67.50. If I have 100 tickets, I have $75. If I have 110 tickets, I have $82.50. And if I have 120 tickets, I have $90. Now, they have a lower service fee. So they have $55 service charge. So I have to take $90 and add a $55 service charge. That means they charge total $145 is their total fee. That means the cheapest company, because we want to spend the least amount of money, so the cheapest company is Rock and Climb. Okay? The cheapest company would be Rock and Climb. Now, in order to graph that information, because that's the next thing I need to be able to do, okay? I'm going to allow my x-coordinate to be the number of tickets. So along the bottom, I'm going to put number of tickets. And along the side, my y-coordinate will be the price. Or / cost for, total, it should be total price or cost for tickets. Okay, so I've labeled my X, I've labeled my Y. I see that my X, or my number of tickets, counts by 10. So I'm going to come down here on each line, not in the middle of the boxes, but on the line, I'm going to count by 10. So I'm going to have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Okay. Now, the total price for tickets, that's tricky because I've got to price Rock Climb and Ready to Rock at the same time. Okay, so I need to think about how I'm going to order my numbers. And it looks like it might be easiest to count by twos and then figure out, or maybe not count by twos, but it might be easiest to count by fives, and then figure out my price from there. All right, so what I'm going to do to count by fives this time is I'm going to skip this first line. This very first corner right here is $0 and then 0 tickets. But I'm going to come up here, I'm going to skip this line, and I'm going to write $5 here. So I have some room to kind of fit in the things that are below $5. Then I'm going to skip a line, and I'm going to come to the next one and write $10. Then I'm going to skip a line, come to the next one, and write $15. I'm counting by $5 at a time. I have to figure out what would be a good thing to count by based on how much my cost is. So here I'm going to put $20. Skip a line, come up again. I'm going to put $25. Skip a line, come up again. I'm going to put $30. Skip a line, come up again. I'm going to put $35. Skip a line, come up again. I'm going to put $40. $45. $50, $55, $60, $65, $70, $75, $80, and then I might have to create some more spaces up here because I ran out of space. I know that I need a total of 90. So I'm going to put right here, for just this, for the sake of time, I'm going to put 85 here and 90 here at the very top space that I just created. Okay? So now I've got to start plotting my points. I have two different companies to put for, Rock and Climb and Ready to Rock. Okay? So I'm going to do Rock and Climb. Up at top, I'm going to put a little key. So a straight line is going to be Rock and Climb. And a dotted line is going to be Ready to Rock. All right, so Rock and Climb, when they had when they have 0 tickets, they have $0, so the cost is $0. When they have 10 tickets for Rock and Climb, the cost is $2.50. So I'm going to go about to that halfway point of $5, because half of 5 is $2.50. When they had 20 tickets, it was $5. So I'm going to continue to connect these. When they had 30 tickets, it was $7.50. So I'm going to go here a little bit below the $10 mark, about where I think $7.50 was. When I have 40 tickets, they have $10. When I have 50 tickets, I have $12.50. So I'm going to come up here a little bit above $10. When they have 60 tickets, they have $15. So I'm going to come up here to 15 and connect those. When they have 70 tickets, they have $17.50. When they have 80 tickets, they have $20. When they have 90 tickets, they have $22.50. When they have 100 tickets, they have $25. When they have 110 tickets, they have $27.50. When they have 120 tickets, they have $30. That's their cost. Now notice I'm not pricing the service charge. I'm just pricing the price per ticket. Okay? Because that's what I labeled this, the price for tickets, not including their service charge. So now I'm gonna graph Ready to Rock. So at 0 again, they had $0. Now, when they had 10 tickets, they had $7.50. So that's a little bit above the cost. Oops, I'm sorry. I should have put a dot a little bit above $5. So there's a dotted line there. When they had 20 tickets, they had a cost of $15. So I'm going to go up to $15, and I'm going to connect that there with a dotted line. When they had 30 tickets, they had a cost of $22.50. So I'm going to go up a little bit above $20 and connect that with a dotted line. When they had 40 tickets, they had a cost of $30. So I'm going to go to $30 and connect that there. Over 40, up 30. When they had 50 tickets, they had a cost of $37.50. So I'm going to go a little bit above 35 and connect that there. 60 tickets, they had $37.50. So I'm going to go a little bit below that 40 line. Connect that there. For 70 tickets, they had $45. So I'm going to go over to my 70 and up to 45. For 80 tickets, they had $60. So I'm going to go over to 80 and up to $60. For 90 tickets, they had $67.50. So I'm going to go over to 90 and up to $67.50. A little bit above 65. For 100 tickets, they had $75. So I'm going to go over 100 up to 75. And if you're wondering where I'm getting these numbers from, they're all coming from the chart that we created. Okay? For 110 tickets, I'm going to go over to 110, and I'm going to go all the way up to $82.50. So I'm going to go a little bit above 80. Make a mark right there. And then for 120 tickets, they had $90. So I'm going to go over to 120 and all the way up to this line I created right here at the top and graph that there. Okay? And I can see from this graph that Ready to Rock, which was my straight line, doesn't go nearly as high as Rock and Climb, which means, Rock and Climb doesn't go nearly as high as Ready to Rock, which means Rock and Climb is a little bit cheaper than Ready to Rock per ticket. Okay? What you are going to do for a grade, this will be an independent assignment that will be due to me no later than Thursday this week. It'll be due by Thursday this week. For grade, you're going to do baking cookies. You're going to read the problem, fill out the chart, okay? You're going to answer these questions, and then for extra credit, you can graph your answers. So you have to definitely finish the baking cookies page, finish the chart, answer the questions, and then for extra credit, you can fill out the graph for this information. This is due to me by Thursday, so this is due by 12/1/16. That's Thursday's date. Should be in the completed work bin on Thursday morning. Okay? If you show me that you took your notes, you can have 2 tickets tomorrow.